We use simple instruments, a sharp blade or a knife, surgical spit, and a tape, a Tipex to write the date that we graft. Before graft, you should have selected a good rootstock and a scion. Rootstock should be free of infection and well rooted. You can see this dragon fruit has rooted well. If you are unable to see roots, you should wait until a branch appears from its trunk. These are called scion. We usually use Gymnocalycia mihinovichi. We call moon cactus. Yellow, pink. This also a Gymnocalycium. It's a purple one. Moon cactus have no chlorophylls, so we need to graft them on a rootstock for its existence. You can see them in a close view. Use minimum 5 mm graft sizes. It is easy to graft and handle. Now I am going to graft a pink moon cactus to a dragon fruit plant. We cut the top of the dragon fruit and graft the moon cactus. Let's see how we are going to graft the moon cactus on top of the dragon fruit plant like this by using a sharp blade and expose the vascular ring nicely. You can see this round area is vascular ring. Nutrients go through this, so we need to overlap stock vascular ring and scion's vascular ring for successful graft. We'll cut from the top of the plant like this. We need to have a sharp cut and it should be horizontal, and we cut the edges like this to prevent elevation of the scion that we put top of the plant, and see vascular ring of the dragon fruit plant. We can see nicely in the middle. We can cut the edge also a small amount like this. And put the moon cactus to overlap the vascular ring. Then we tied the plant to the rootstock by using a tape. Like this. It's better to put two tapes like this. Now our grafting is over. Before graft, we need to hydrate the rootstock and the plant that we take the graft very well for 2 days and keep them in a shade for 2 days. In grafting procedure, we use two names. It is scion and rootstock. Rootstock is the plant which we have planted on the pot. Usually we use dragon fruit as the rootstock. Scion may be a whole plant or a part of a plant which we have bring from outside. Let's see another grafting.